In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the line color in Canva. Whether you're a graphic designer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to create beautiful visuals, changing the line color in Canva can add a whole new dimension to your designs. So let's dive right in and learn how to do this step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Canva and either open an existing project or start a new one. Once you have your project open and ready to edit, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will see the toolbar. One of the first options you will see is Elements. This is your go-to area for adding basic design elements to your project. Click on it to explore the wide array of objects you can use. Now inside the Elements section, you'll need to find a category to type what you're looking for, in this case lines. In the search bar located at the top of the Elements section, type lines. Canva will then present you with a variety of line styles to choose from. This includes straight lines, curved lines, zigzag lines, and more. Find a line that fits the style you're aiming for in your design. Once you've selected a line that you like, you'll need to incorporate it into your design canvas. Simply click and hold the line you've selected, and then drag and drop it onto your project. This allows you to position it exactly where you need it and ensures it fits perfectly with your existing layout and design theme. Next, it's time to change the color to give it a more customized look. With the line now selected on your canvas, head up to the top of the screen. Among other options like resizing and rotating, you will notice a color swatch icon. Click on this icon to open up the color selection panel. This is where you can get creative with the hues and tones that best represent your vision. For those of you interested in adding a bit of flair with gradient colors, scroll through the options available in the color selection panel. Gradients can add a modern and dynamic feel to your work. Scroll down to find the gradient options, which might be further down the list depending on how many colors you have in your project. Choose a gradient that suits your design's aesthetics and click to apply it to your line. With just these simple steps, selecting a line, placing it in your design and changing its color, your Canva project will become much more personalized and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of Canva's features.